got me down again.
Just blew your mind, huh? I'm everywhere.
You got me down again.
Lane! What's up, buddy?
What's up?
What are we doing today?
We are doing a 2.5 MetalCloak on this little Bronco we got here.
Nice.
2.5 MetalCloak, wheels, tires, and I think that's it for this go around.
Let's see here. To hang this, put it on a chain, hang it from my neck, you know what I'm saying? Flav. Here, I'm gonna help. Oh! Yeah, one-handed. Gosh.
Do it now before I keep sitting here for the next 2 years.
Ooh, what you got for that?
It's only going to be there for 2 years.
You're doing a great job. Alright, what's step one? We're doing a how-to today, by the way.
Shoot, I forgot to wear my how-to shirt. So step one is you start by taking off the upper strut mount nuts, or at least the back one all the way off, and I just loosen the front two up because instead of doing it how all the instructions say, which I know people are gonna be mad. You don't have to follow the instructions all the time. You can bend them. But take the top strut nuts loose, or come down here, take the tube off the bottom, the sway bar nut. I'll jack it up and support the lower control arm, mark all my cams so I can put them right back where they came from. I'll take the cams out, lower it down so the strut will just come out the bottom.
Nice. You sound like you've done this before.
Maybe a time or two. Maybe.
Whoever can guess the lock and change the code is like king of the shop until that code is broken. But right now Lane is king of the shop. He's figured it out. He changed the code on me.
Oh, I can figure it out.
You didn't change the code?
You want me to?
No, but it doesn't work.
You want me to fix it for you?
No, I'll figure it out. I just thought of this game to play.
I thought about changing it on you, but I didn't.
I had the lock. I locked it on a couple of people. They couldn't figure it out. I locked it on a vehicle Lane was working on. He figured the code out. Now he's locked up my stuff. See what I'm saying? You see where I'm going with this? So, but he didn't change the code, so now I gotta go figure out why the lock won't open.
Looks like no water for you today.
No, I drank some. I had to hold both water bottles at the same time.
Is he feeling alright?
Who?
Robert. Is he working for Indy now?
Whoop.
Look at this.
You can't get it up that high.
That's what she said.
Huts.
God, look how bright Ray's dirty. You're gonna have to come down.
That's all his toes got in him.
He's got a lower. Look at it.
That was you. Fair that Indy's 6'3" and I'm 4'9".
Oh! Okay, Indy. I think it was airborne for a second.
Some weird stuff happening on that side of the shop.
Yeah, stuck the landing. Oh, damn it. I was filming them and forgot to film you. It's got... this is a crap video. People have quit watching by now. So it comes with these studs. They're like wheel studs. And you gotta press them in to the spacer here. And he just uses his air hammer and then that's it.
No, I do 40s on the ground.
Is there a way that this... Here.
Oh, just 1 stud, 2 stud, 3 stud. On.
Dr. Lane. And then you tighten those up. The factory, is that the factory hardware?
Yes, use the factory nuts to hold it down.
Uh-huh.
And then you have the rocks that are trapped in the top fall out.
Oh, okay.
And then the new studs come with new hardware.
So factory studs for the spacer to the...
Spacer to strut.
To strut, and then new hardware from spacer to chassis.
Chassis, whatever
Frame.
you call it.
Yeah. So if you're at home in your Jeep, or your... Wow, I just called this a Jeep. Whoa. If you're at home and your Bronco is up on jack stands, you just use your floor jack to lower this down. Bring this out. What is happening?
I'm bleeding. This is what I do for these guys. I bleed for these guys.
What'd you do?
What in the...
What?
I guess I cut it. Put all those tires on.
Bro!
Oh my god!
I didn't realize it. I was walking up there and I was like, what is running down my hand?
Ricky, you're gonna have to blur this out.
Yeah.
When you upload this, click no, not for kids.
Graphic content. Remember, I lost my gloves on the highway today.
Well, why'd you do that?
Not been a very good morning for my gloves. I guess I left them on the trailer when we left.
Kind of like Mike and his glasses. When he had his glasses.
Yeah.
The Hancocks.
Yeah.
In the arms of the angel.
Insert the Sarah McLachlan. In the arms of the angel.
Maybe another shop that people have this much.
Yeah, name it one shop. Hoonigan. Easy.
Well, anywhere that's not super famous. And then you gotta make sure you kink over the bottom.
Yeah, so this actually rotates inside of the strut. So he just stuck it in his vise. Because you got to change the angle of those a little bit when you put the Kevin Spaceys. That's what we're calling those.
I like it.
Kevin Spaceys. You're doing a great job. You're outside. Can I help? Can I do something?
Are you a psychiatrist? Are we a little crooked?
Yeah, it's not in the hole. Well, give you a pry bar. My insurance doesn't cover automotive related injuries.
Oh, then yeah.
It's only from back strain from carrying the weight of the shop. It's a weird looking hammer. I was about to say that. So this is pretty much like the front. You've got 3 nuts up top.
3 nuts up top. It's just this one has 1 on the bottom.
Yeah. You don't really even have to unhook anything. Just support the axle and then...
Then get it down. Lower it down just enough after you put the spacer on to hook up the bottom.
Yeah.
It's golden.
Nice. Again, if you're in your garage and you're on the floor, use a floor jack.
You'll put that in as I pull down.
That's what she said.
Inside out. Yeah.
Oh my god.
You guys make a great team. KO.
Okay. We're done.
Is he okay? Are these your hub centric rings?
Yes.
Nice.
Look at you.
I know a thing or two about a thing or two once.
gopher right now.
You can go through
One of two things are about to happen here. You're either gonna turn that steering wheel, or you're gonna turn that steering wheel.
because I said so.
I'll let you believe that.
Thank you to good old Abe.
Hey, I'm the captain.
Thank you to good old